Because everyone used
Sebastian,
to...
what time are you waking up tomorrow?
11. Big brother, come on. It's a birthday. It's
11.
celebration. No! Well, fuck it. Let's wake up at 12. Why 11?
All
12.
do is like that, block 'em
No, 11 is fine, Sebastian.
and blow.
Yeah, what would this ask at all?
Because 9. What are we going to do?
From 9?
9.
They never get any footage till like 1 o'clock. I don't know why they wake us up.
It's not working.
You what?
So they never get any footage from us until like 1 o'clock. I don't
know,
know
but
why
I
they wake
suppose
up us that
people want to
early.
see us having breakfast and waking
Do you
up.
want to see me in the
We
morning?
can have breakfast half
Where's
11.
Kenny?
We can have breakfast 12.
Yeah.
We
Yes,
act,
we can, Rodrigo.
We act like if we are, we pretend we are in 9 o'clock. We wake up really
Yeah.
tired.
We will still be tired.
Hey, imagine get up to about 11.
Yeah, we
11
plan
o'clock.
everything. We
They
plan
can't wake us
everything.
up at fucking 3 in the evening. We will still be tired.
Yeah, we'll plan. We'll plan. We wake up looking tired, and then we'll come.
Oh,
watch
I've got the
TV, make a toast.
hiccups. I don't like it. It's hurt me implants.
What happened with your implant?
I got new hiccups.
What does that mean?
I'm like, them.
Just
I've done that.
no. You need to hold for a hold. Don't breathe. Hold, and then you swallow.
This one's my...
Yeah. You can have mine. It's not. You don't need to say this, Yavash.
I will say to you.
But Yavash, you don't need to say. You can go and take. You know that. You can go and take.
I will go on
But
first.
then after that, you'll suffer the consequence.
I will go on over
I
first.
can't get rid of the hiccups.
You know you can see. Yavash
Still here.
saying that.
They didn't go.
Anyone can take.
They didn't go.
What?
It didn't work.
What did not work?
I still got the
You need to do. And then in the end, when you stop, don't not now, but when you stop, just swallow there.
Yeah.
Help.
Will.
Try to hold as maximum you can. As maximum you can. And in the end, you swallow there.